Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings or actually any other app which will provide you with the keyboard. So the settings, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and then enter the settings. They should be in this upper panel. Now we have to enter the languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So you can scroll and find it, or simply enter the name of the language and tap on it after finding. Now we can choose the keyboard layout and the number of keyboard layouts specifically depends on the language. Sometimes you will have only one and sometimes even up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked and tap on Done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. And before I'll show you how to remove the previous language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So the first thing is the globe icon. As you can see here, we've got a hint. All we have to do is to tap on this globe icon to be able to change the language. So now we've got English, and after tapping on it, we've got the Urdu one, or any other language, of course. And the second difference is the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So now how to remove the language. Let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and all you have to do is to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. Mark the language you want to remove and trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.